Okay, this time around I came to Real Tacos. Right? Last time I got my car washed, I went over there to Pink Chopsticks, and that was very good, very good. So it's gonna be about another half hour, no less. Got me some horchata right there. Got me a combo quesadilla plate. Smells good. Alright. Here we go. Cool. Alright, it's Friday the 13th right now. We got a full moon. Full moon right there. Can't really tell, it looks like a light. There's a full moon right here. That's not a lamp, it's a full moon. Can't really tell, it doesn't do it justice. We're gonna do a quick unboxing. Package from Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka right there. Okay. Package from Sri Lanka. This stuff costs $95 here in the US for 2 ounces. It costs I bought 10 of those for, let me see. Yeah, 10 of those for $20. So that's $2 an ounce, $4 for 2 ounces instead of 95. There's a nice car over there, by the way. I want to film it if I can before I shut this off. Full moon. Nice car. Fucking shit, dude. Okay, they just washed the car. Nice little polish. Feels a lot better. They always do a good job here. All right, and that's that. Got a couple more packages from India. Deli, right? Anyhow. So let's open stuff up right now, I guess. My arm's looking a lot better. This is more of that permethrin lotion. I don't know if you can see it. There it goes. And I don't know, man. It's been a month since I got these things. It's a lot better, but you know, still got some little ways to go. Alright. Get my car washed again. I love the place. They do a very good job for cleaning the car. Arm's looking a lot better. You know, kind of getting back to do normal stuff again. Oh man, last time I got Chinese food over here. I'm gonna try the taco place this time around. It's gonna take about 45 minutes for them to clean the car. It's around Weir Canyon, Gypsum Canyon over here. Let's get Chinese food actually over there.